Welcome to my design workshop, where I help you turn ideas into visual stories. Because in this workshop, we practice what we learn. All right, we're heading to page 6. On the thumbnail section, click on 6 and then let's edit this page. I'll type in here. Oh, it already has services. Okay, I'm just going to change the font and font size. So let's do that. You know the font, you know which font we'll be using. So you go display and I'll change the size to 70. All right. Next, let's delete. Next, I'm going to change the background color. So select the page and then click on the color circle. I'll change the background color to brown. Hold on. Everything's disappeared, but we'll bring it back just in a second. Now let's go to the element section and find the image we're looking for. I'll type in here close up shot of person using a laptop. I've already searched it, so it's over there in my recently searched. I'll just press enter and then go to the photo section, click on see all. This is the image I'm going for. It is by Jan Krukow. I hope I didn't butcher the name. If I did, sorry. From Pexels, and it's called close up shot of a person using a laptop. Yeah, that's the one. I'll click on it, and the next step would be to right click on the image, go over to replace background. That's what we're looking to do. Next, I'm going to select the image and then reduce its transparency to 18. Just type in here 18. You can adjust, play. You can play with it, adjust as you like to see which one suits you. I'm just going to keep it at 18. Yeah, like that. And then I'll bring on a very famous element on here. And you know which element that is? The rounded square frame. Woo woo. Okay, let's get that. I'll go over to the preview. I can actually go to the previous page, but I'll just pick this one up. Bring it over here. Control V, and then I will place it on top of the text. Because what we will do is we will let the text sit on this frame. Yeah. Then go to position, layers, and then I will delete that text because I'll bring on text that I have already typed out. Control, I'll just bring that on. Okay, I'm just going to place my text over here and then reposition it. It will have a title. I'll change the font color to white. Then I'll duplicate that, position it over here, and type in logo design. Like that. We will reduce the size. I'll reduce the size to 50. So it looks something like this. The text says, let's read it. Are you a brand new company looking to create a look and feel for your brand that will convey the right message to your audience? I design logos that convey the exact message your brand stands for. Now let's do the next part. I'll just zoom in again. I'll zoom out. To do that, let's just delete this text over here, delete the name, and then lock. And then I'll copy all of this, the logo design, the square frame, and the text, and then I'll just duplicate. we can just move that over here. There. The only thing left is to change the text. So I'll make this one graphic design. And then I'll change the title over here to presentation design. We just stretch this out. And then I'll change the text. I'll paste it over here. It says, looking to land that sponsorship that will help you meet your business goals or get the funding that will set your business on the path to growth. I'm a visual storyteller that can help you communicate why you deserve that business boost. Yes. Okay. So next, we're going to change the rectangle. This time, our rectangle is going to be gray orange. Yep. This color. And then I'll change the font to agrandir wide, the color to white. And we're almost there. Make it bold. I'll just bring the title down a bit more just so it's over here and not too far away from what it's supposed to be talking about, and not too far away from the services we're actually talking about. And then I think I'll reduce the size of these rounded squares slightly. Increase the space at the top. I'll delete this one and bring this one over here so it's all the same size. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is go to position and bring this to the front. Bring that on top. Yeah, just like that. We're almost there. And then I'll bring the text to the middle of the page. You can choose to make it bigger just so it has some more breathing space. I think this is fine for me. And just like that, the services page is complete. Let's take a closer look. I'll zoom in so you can see it clearly. I want to move this over here a little bit. Move the title as well. Hey, you over there. You're not supposed to be there. I'm going to delete the name. And then I'll delete this one over here. Yeah. So that's it for this page. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you watched until this point, well then, give this video a like. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Don't miss our next page, which is the education page. Now go on and get creative.